they pay me and they waiting me this.
Hello, auntie. Ah! Excuse me. Hello, what's up?
I'm fine.
Shola is my name. What's the name?
I'm Mary by name.
Oh my God. Do you reside in this estate?
Yeah.
You are young and bright like the evening sun. Hey! Your beauty is the second to the none on the surface of the heart. You don't have rival. I guess when it comes to attraction, you share everything in common with Angel. I can die without you by my side.
You don't mean it. You are very good in English, but you know what? English without money is useless.
It's because you don't know me. Don't you know the son of who I am?
Who is your father, please?
I am the last born of Bill Gates.
Wow.
Do you know Bill Gates? But I don't love to be showing off.
Since you are the son of Bill Gates, I'll give you one chance. We can even start dating now.
You want to bam bam? You want to chill with the
Why
big boy?
not?
Oh, boy, come on, give me a hug, baby.
Shola. My guy. High five.
Chop waiting.
Baby, who is this?
I don't understand. You call him baby.
He's my baby.
One chance. So you do not have sense. Okay, I know he has already lied to you. He called himself Shola, the son of Big Gate. If you thought I would give you strong able. Hey! His father is Big Gate for him. But his father's name is Bilyamino. He's the son of Bilyamino Gates, man. We shorten the word to Shola Bill Gates.
Babe, is it true? Why am I even calling you babe? God, thinking I've catch a big fish. God will judge you.
And this idiot spoil everything. Hey! I'm not even.
You get it?
I'm not even.